Namaste students, myself JBN Dr. Arun Kumar Singh, Faculty of Education and Methodology, Jyoti Vidyapeeth, Women's University, Jaipur. I welcome to all of you in my digital class BSc B.Ed 7th semester. We will discuss the topic need of guidance. Now, guidance is needed at every stage of development, right from the beginning of life till the end. Everyone needs guidance at one time or the other. If properly guided, every individual will be satisfied in life. Why do one needs guidance? Exploring self. The basic aim is to help an individual increase his/her understanding and acceptance of self, his/her physical developments, his/her intelligence, aptitudes, interests, personality traits, attitudes, and values, his/her achievements in scholastic and other spheres, his aspirations and lifestyle preference, and above all his here and now needs, which keep him/her highly motivated to behave positively or others. Determining values. The second aim is to help an individual recognize the importance of values, explore different sets of values, determine personal values, and examine them in relation to the norms of society and their importance in playing for success in life. Okay. Next, setting goals. This aim is to help an individual set goal for himself and relate these to the values determined by him, so that he recognizes the importance of long range planning. Explore the world of work. The aim here is to help the individuals explore the world of work in relation to his self-exploration, his value system, and goals that he has set for himself to achieve success in life. Exploring efficiency, improving efficiency. The individuals is helped to learn about factors which contribute to increase effectiveness and efficiency and to improve his study habits. Building relationships. The aim is to help the individuals to be aware of his relationship with others and to note that it is a reflection of his own feelings about himself. Accepting responsibility for the future. The individuals is helped to develop skill in social and personal forecasting, equals attitudes, and skills necessary for mastering the future. To sum up, guidance empowers him to be an integrated individual, actualizing his potential to the fullest. Okay, students, thank you.